Welcome to another Deep Learning Nerds video. One key component of the Microsoft Fabric architecture is the notebook. In this video, we will explain step by step how to create a notebook in Fabric. First, sign into Microsoft Fabric. The Fabric portal will be opened. Next, switch to the data engineering experience. To do this, click on the Microsoft Fabric icon on the bottom left and select Data Engineering. Here you can see the data engineering experience. Click on the Workspaces tab in the left sidebar and select the desired workspace. In our case, we select the workspace dealnerds_workspace. Now, let's create a notebook in the selected workspace. To do this, navigate to the Home tab and click on the Notebook card. After the creation, the notebook will be opened. Congratulations! Now you are one step closer to become a Fabric expert. You have learned how to create a notebook. Try it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.